Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make Google Photos default on your iPhone. Now let's open up the Photos app on your iPhone. And from here, you'll be able to see Library and Collections at the very bottom. Let's go over to Collections first and then tap on your profile at the very top right. You'll be able to see it usually says synced with iCloud, and it might just say just now or a time ago. Now, the first thing we need to do is remove iCloud from your photos, and then we'll have Google Photos in its place. So let's hop out of here and open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you've opened up that Settings app, we need to get to your iCloud. So to be able to do that, we're going to tap on your name at the very top. And there you can see midway down is your iCloud, including all of the backup of your photos. So let's tap on iCloud here. And there you can see under Save to iCloud is Photos. Let's tap on that. Now it says iCloud Photos store all your photos in the iCloud, but we want to use Google Photos instead. So we need to do two things in here. The first one is we need to choose download and keep originals. Instead of optimize iPhone storage, we want to download all of those photos and videos to your iPhone. Now, after you've done that, you can safely turn off Sync This iPhone. And essentially what you're going to do is download them all to your phone. Keep in mind, you need enough space on your phone to be able to do this, so you do need to make sure that you have enough storage. Now, after you've done that, all we need to do is go to the App Store and download Google Photos. Now, open up the Google Photos app after you have it on your iPhone. And from here, we're going to tap on your profile button at the very top right. And now here you can see backup is off. All I need to do is tap on it. And I'm going to turn on backup, and you can see I can choose storage saver or original quality. Either one works, and let's hit confirm. Now at the very top right, we'll be able to tap on that, and you can see it is currently backing up all of those photos. But instead of Photos app using iCloud, essentially we've turned this off, and you've turned off the photos to be backed up to iCloud, and it's using Google Photos instead. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.